Hello, all of you. How are you doing? All I hope you all are well in your place. Today's topic is the positivity and logical mindset. My dear friends, mostly we think negative for self and we think negative for others. But we need to change our perspective and our attitude about the think positive for self and for others. हम डेली रूटीन में अपने लिए रात को सोने से और सुबह उठने तक लगातार एक एटीट्यूड बना लेते हैं और उस एटीट्यूड के अकॉर्डिंग एवरी काइंड्स ऑफ वर्क दोज आर बिलोंग्स टू मी आर affected by our thinking and by our perspective. Which kinds of perspective we have in our temperament, in our mindset, we always use their perspective and attitude towards our works and our behavior. My dear friends, हमें हमेशा ही पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर को एप्लीकेशन में डालना चाहिए और ये एक सतत प्रक्रिया है, रेगुलर प्रोसेस है। अगर इस प्रोसेस में हम रेगुलरिटी नहीं रखेंगे, चेक चेंज की पोजीशन नहीं रखेंगे, चेक मीन्स वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई विच काइंड्स ऑफ आवर टेम्परामेंट वी आर यूजिंग nowadays in our daily habits, then identify and change. Then the process of changing and checking both are similar and both are continuously. So the analysis of both things should be on regular basis. चेक करना है, चेंज करना है. If we are checking but we are not changing, the process will be broken because one part is missing. Checking is all right, but changing is miss. So we need to check and change both in our daily life. What kinds of thinking we are generating in our mind, a positive or negative? Why we are thinking about negative? This is the self counseling. ये एक गहरा process है. Then if we doing in a regular basis on our daily life, then we can identify these things, that which kinds of thinking we are doing bad and which kinds of attitudes we have good. जब हम डेली एनालिसिस करेंगे और नोट डाउन करेंगे तो हम काउंसलर बन जाएंगे ऑफ द सेल्फ. कोई भी व्यक्ति किसी की काउंसलिंग पूर्णतः नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज ए millions of millions thoughts are created by myself and I'm creating many kinds of thoughts, and in within a second I'm thinking a lots of thoughts through my mind, through my brain. So who can able to think, who is able to watch our brains directly or indirectly? No one. The doctors and others specialists can read our thoughts, which kinds of thought we are creating by our behavior, by our attitude, acts, doing things, food. Many kinds of topics and subjects can be in this list. तो हमें अपने एटीट्यूड को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए निरंतर मेहनत करनी चाहिए. हमें अपना व्यवहार केवल अपने अकॉर्डिंग ही नहीं बनाना चाहिए, अपना व्यवहार सबके अकॉर्डिंग बनाना चाहिए. इट मीन्स नॉट फॉर appreciating or not for make people happy, no, for flexibility, for human being, for spirituality, for socialism. इसलिए हमें अपना व्यवहार अच्छा बनाना चाहिए. व्यवहार अच्छा बिना पॉजिटिविटी के नहीं बनेगा. पॉजिटिविटी जस्ट ए वर्ड बट इट इज ए बियॉन्ड अबाउट आवर थिंकिंग. व्हेन वी आर वर्क, we will work on these things, then the changes are reflecting in our behavior and we can notice these things are missed in our behavior. If we'll do these things in our life, then life will be changed. Okay, Om Shanti, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.